Welcome to this tutorial. How to download Vimeo video. Vimeo is a great source of high-quality videos. Sometimes you want to download a video to watch it later without having internet connection. You can download Vimeo videos by using some third-party websites. In this video, we will show you how you can download a video in Vimeo if it is allowed by the uploader. Search a topic of your interest in the Vimeo search bar, and press enter on your keyboard. Look for a video to download which you like. Click on a video thumbnail to play the video. Click on Pause Video button, and scroll down the page. You will find a download button with down arrow sign, click on it. In the video format options pop up, select the video size of your choice. Click on the download button in front of a particular size. Select a path on your local computer, and click on the Save button. This will start downloading a video from Vimeo. See how easy this was. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.